What if an idea could become a working app without weeks of building? Describe it, and AI generates the interface, writes the code, and connects the pieces. But this isn't a design anymore. It's a working product. Choose Tuesday at 6, tap book session, and get an instant confirmation. The dashboard updates, a database record appears, and a notification fires. The gap between an idea and a real product suddenly gets smaller. Idea, prompt, code, interface, database, live app. One person can prototype, test, and launch ideas faster than ever. AI doesn't replace developers. It helps one person build, test, and iterate faster. The real advantage isn't AI-written code. It's turning ideas into something you can test. Users, bookings, feedback, revenue, the app becomes a live business dashboard. Want to know how we created this video with AI? The exact tools, prompts, and workflow are in the description. Subscribe to the Smart Pocket for more.